Papa, you are right. This one you did not go to work today.
My dear, I did not go to work. How could I go to work when there's no work to do? Okorocha bought a new bicycle. That's in Okorocha. Before I could walk one pool, Okorocha would have circulated the whole village, taking all the customers. I cannot cope.
Papa, that is not a problem.
Very big problem. In fact, that is the biggest problem of my career.
If your daughter is telling you it is no longer a problem, Papa.
I'm going to do Commerce America.
Because I am going to tell Adolf to build big designer house for you.
You are trying to pull my legs.
Oh, well, he said anything I want, he will do it for me. Or this is Nyocha.
My daughter, if this one happens, there is nothing I will... In fact, let me reserve what I'm going to do in return to you people. If this thing happens, build a fashion house, designer house for me. In fact, that would be requiem for Okorocha. He will die early death. Buy a fashion house for me.
Build, big one. But he is ill on your child. It's not easy.
Are you telling me how many people are married to one in this community? In fact, throughout the whole environment. No problem. What do you want to do? No.
Where on your one?
Which your?
Where is all the your? How do you know your now?
I don't know who be your. You know who be your?
I know your. Thank you.
Please don't pour. I'm only child of my family. Please don't kill me.
Thank you. Fine girl don't do this kind of thing. I call you Mama Sita, remember? Hey, please. Hey. I beg. Fine girls don't do this kind of thing. Please now. Fine girl. What is going on?
Mama, beg your daughter, all this shit while they talk now. She just they catch me. I don't know when I make her best.
What is going on here?
She gave us poison. Tell her to give us the antidote.
Hey!
Tell her to give us
antidote. Did you give them poison?
Mama, help us, make her.
And what is this antidote you are holding?
Mama. Let me even call her a prostitute. And this boy, no point to let me call her prostitute. Let me carry me come here.
I can't carry you.
Let me call her prostitute.
Let me sit I call you.
I give it to you.
Is it what you
drink.
Mama, give me again. Give me again. Mama, give me. Plenty.
Mama, what is this? And where did you get it from?
Mama, na water. I just added some color to it.
Hey! Look at this girl!
Water?
Now also we used to do film here.
Don't.
Damn, man! Shit! This is bullshit! I'm taking this shit, man!
You can't inform.
Should I tell you come here?
Yeah, come here, you follow me.
You are a disgrace to your birthday. You are a disgrace to your birthday.
Damn,
what's up this shit, man?
What's up with this shit?
What's up with
You want to bring bad name to my back? Eh? Do you know the meaning of what you have just done?
Mama, do you know those two idiots walked into the bar and started talking about our family? They said me, Ezinne, is a prostitute pretending to be studying in Owerri. Mama.
Is that why you should give them poison? Eh?
Mama, it's not poison. It's water. And I added a little color to it. I just wanted to teach those fools a lesson. How can they come here and be calling me a prostitute, Mama?
Ezinne.
Mama.
Ezinne. Le papa mo biko. Ejim chire keri oge. Ha.
What is your problem? What is wrong with you? How can a man like you be broken over a girl like Ify? What is your problem? What is your problem?
Joko, this is something I don't know how to explain to you. Because I know very well you've never been in love. So you won't even understand if I try. So, please.
Why don't you move on with your life? It's very clear that she does not love you.
Please. I demand to be left alone. I don't know if it's too much for me to ask her. Please, let me...
Miracle, are you aware that the choir is one place I completely find happiness in life? Miracle, are you aware that the choir practice is one place I completely find happiness in life.
Jacob, why don't you go ahead and do all that? Please, let me be. I just want to be left alone. Huh?
Miracle, if you continue to miss choir practice the way you're going, I'll be forced to do what nobody in this town will ever like. Oh, I'm warning you.
Miracle, Jacob, my love life is different from the work of God. Am I the only talented musician in this community? You people should just let me be. Please.
Miracle, you either sit up or I'll be forced to take care of whatever is responsible for it. You know I used to take care of things. The fact that I go to church does not stop me from doing one or two things I used to do.
You don't know what I'm going through. Chico, you don't know what
What are you going through? What are you going through? Sit up with the choir practice and everything will be okay for you. God is first. God is everything.
Don't worry. What is he going to do? Don't worry. Come on, get out.
Don't worry. You carry go that village. Don't worry. See, on a serious note, make I tell you, make you not ever carry me come this kind of village again. What you gonna say be this one now? If say this girl get access to poison, she will poison us. What you dey talk? That small girl kneel me, Shaggy, kneel me down. I'm gonna touch her. I will deal with her. Nah, for her mind, she just dey happy. They jolly. They use us to play balloon. They use us to play felele. Imagine that kind of sense. See, if that your girlfriend Deborah, no go fit find you come our village. See, make I tell you, leave her more. Leave that girl. What you dey talk, Rocky? I dey tell you, say small girl, that Smally, Fafa Smally, he reason me, Shaggy, kneel me down. I think she feel say she's smart. I ain't go touch her. I go deal with her for this place and she go know say na me be Shaggy. Hey, no be even waiting carry me come your house. Oh, you carry me come this place. See what it cost now. No be waiting I can't tell you. I beg, how far with your papa level now? Based on that package you hold with Uncle JB.
Well, that matter tell me. You don't get waiting, I never tell my papa. I don't tell her like this, I don't tell her like that, but I don't tire. I don't try all my possible best, make her convince her, but the thing not the work. As it stands now, me, I don't want to send that man, no. Any which way, man, any which way. That's how I want to run now.
Guy, now your talent, oh. No waste time, oh. No waste your talent. I tell you.
If you're not... Babe, good morning. I'm greeting.
What are you doing in my house this early?
I need to see Ife, and it's very important.
You cannot see for Masogo.
No, it's very important I see her.
It is also equally important, choir master, that you do a U-turn and go back home for your own safety.
No, I need to explain to her that I'm a very sad man and it's affecting a lot of people. It might even affect her marriage if care is not taken.
I didn't know you have graduated to Jesus Christ level. You are sad and it's affecting a lot of people. And it might affect a woman's marriage.
Yeah, I didn't say I'm Jesus Christ. I just want to warn her so that...
No, don't worry. I don't want it to affect a lot of people. You will see, Fama.
Oh, God bless you.
So that instead of affecting a lot of people, it will affect some few. And they will do it on behalf of the others.
Oh, I understand. God bless you. Hey, Jesus.
Hey, Timor!
Come, it's going to affect a lot of people.
Papa.
Jesus.
What is it?
What?
What are you doing with the machete?
I am carrying... What happened is that I have just gone to do a job that I should not be doing if I had had a son. I have 3 daughters. Am I not here?
Is Ekwem not your son?
Ekwem is Ekwem. If you were a man, you would not be there as an idiot lying down while somebody comes into this compound to threaten a woman.
Me?
Wait, Papa, who came here to threaten you for while I'm here?
Ago, you're an idiot. Very big idiot, you're a buffoon. What do? When you are here and somebody who calls himself choir master has the effrontery to come here and threaten Ifeoma and her marriage.
Master.
And you call yourself a man.
But I'm a man now.
What has Ifeoma got to do with choir master? Why would he come here to threaten you?
Chumanum.
Shut up. In fact, I wasn't expecting you home. I don't know what dragged you home. If you want to say something that will be important, say it at the backyard. In front of here, all your talk is useless. Do you understand what I'm saying? Right?
Well, Papa, I'm a man.
Show me evidence. Because you have this, every idiot has it. You know monkey has it, baboon has it. Even Dara. You think that's the evidence of being a man? Go and see him. He has it too, and his own is in quantum. You call yourself a man. I don't know what, or makeup. Stupid human being. He would do. I have to fight your wars for you.
Mbakwe.
Mbakwe. Ikwela? Hey. Yes, Mbakwe. Ikwe.
Orekwa.
Arema.
Mama, tell him to stop calling me an idiot. I'm not an idiot. I'm a man.
You are a compound idiot. You are even a buffoon. He would do that contains nothing. Are you ready?
But I'm still a man, I'm still a man.
Philip, I was going to your house.
My house? But I'm just coming back from the night watch keeping, and I wanted to ask if there's any good news, but your face does not show anything good.
I want to tell you, an Akata, that I'm going to wash my hands of the case you people have with the vigilance people.
Chineke?
Yes.
Why are you sounding like? Is anything the matter?
Are you interested in what is the matter? Or the money he is owing you? Eh?
We're interested in the money, but remember you are still the same person that asked us to take this easy when we wanted to collect this money from him. Why are you sounding like this now?
Hey, you defense. Tell the truth though. You people are afraid of that thing he calls 0.45.
No, don't crouch. Bam. Hey, Mba.
Is he human being? Well, there's good news. The good news is that he doesn't even have what is called stick. Let alone knockout. God.
You mean he doesn't have?
Just intimidating you.
Thank you very much for the good news. We are going to collect that money from him, whether he likes it or not. We are going to collect that money. Yeah, no problem.
Why are you crying? What is it? Now talk to me now. Stop crying and talk to me. What is it now? What is it? What is it? Just talk to me.
Ify and her elder sister.
Ify and her elder sister. What happened to them?
They happened to me.
They happened to you. I don't understand. What do you mean they happened to you?
I was coming back from Rosa's house yesterday. If your elder sister ambushed me, they beat me up yesterday. They tore all my clothes there. It was even their one that gave me his trousers to wear and go home. Ask everybody that is in Hama, they will tell you. Don't guess,
What is this word? You mean if he and Ezine ambushed and beat you up?
Muraco, they beat me. I was even begging them to pity me. They were pitying me.
It's okay. Stop crying. I'm here. Relax. It's okay.
Muraco, I'm going inside. Inside.
No, I can't go inside. I'm going to walk. It's okay. I've told you, it's okay. Jesus. What are you trying to do? Wait. My white. I'm
I'm still going to work. My wife. It's okay. I've told you oh, Jesus. What are you trying to do? Jesus, what are you trying to do? Stop.
I got your code according to your size. Designer this, designer that. Waiting the designer. Designer up, designer down. Who is the designer? A man wants to work less but earn more and spend less. Makes him so painless and endlessly worthless. Racing the heart to find the world. Anyone got the world. I book it a go. Come off a road. Don't stop with a go. I bet you want to follow. Don't make a mistake. You got caught up slack. A station time prevents a fall of tears. The elevator, my brother, check your time. Ain't got your code according to your size. Make you not upset. No. But everything well.
Hi, Eminem. You're welcome.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome again.
Thank you.
Yes. You know, when I came in,
Thank you, man.
no problems. Sir, you know that when you people came in here, I was confused somehow. I saw you people keep what you came with. There is this saying that in a newly established market, the vulture always gets confused locating the meat store because the market is new. So if I have offended you in any way, since you people came, please pardon me. I learned that you came from America.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I was surprised when you came in. You were sitting waiting for the white man to come in.
Yes.
I quickly found that it would be because my son AJ just came back from America.
It's not even only that. When you came in with the kind of car that you came in, we thought it was actually we were expecting some people today. A white man. But when you people drove in, we thought, coming down, I didn't see the white man, so I got confused somehow. But they have come, they have explained things to me. And they say you came from America. You're welcome. You're welcome. I don't like to offend these American people. No. Please, make yourself comfortable. I got what I know.
Brother, check your time. Ain't got your code according to your size. Designer this, designer that. Designer man. Your daughter not designer. Your son not designer.
Come and serve Eche.
Everything designer.
Come and use your hand serve Eche and his father, eh?
Serve waiting. Mama, I hope it's not this food I'm cooking for Adolf that you want her to go and serve them.
Eh? Even if it's the food, did we cook it with your money? Who told you that the Onyocha and his people will be able to finish all those food? After would run.
What is delaying now? What's delaying the food? I'll get the food for them.
But the food is for Adolf. Adolf for Onyocha. Her people is not Onyocha now.
Forma, why are you talking like this? Because of food.
Ifoma, don't worry. It is blessing to this very family. I didn't know that somebody is interested in her. Not to talk of a person coming, visiting us by surprise like this. And on a day that we are waiting for your own suitors. Is anything bad in it? It's even blessing for this very family. Yeah? Don't worry. How many plates of... Did you see the kind of jeep that boy came with? They are big people, so we have to serve them like big people. Make sure you use very nice plates to bring that food though. And then garnish it very, very well. Huh? Don't get angry. Hmm?
Let's go.
I am talking to you as a father. You know that these people came in by accident. You have to. So relax. What you have to do now is to call that yourself. Because look at time.
I am calling them. It's not going.
Push it. Let it go.
I'm pushing it.
Mama, now continue to call them. You understand? Because we don't even know whether they're going to disappoint. Madam.
Papa, no what? They will not disappoint. Mama, they will not. Don't say that.
Don't make a mistake. You can call up the stars. A station time prevents a father tears. The elevator, my brother, check your time. I got your code according to your size. Designer man, designer man.
Adolf.
Wait your life.
Where's Adolf?
Show me your
It's alright. I was actually coming to your house to come and,
Okay, what are you coming to do in my house? I am waiting for Adolf. You are coming to do in my. What are you coming to do?
Don't you go to your house again? Has your house turned to a shrine? I said I want to come to your house.
Okay, but go. I want to see Adolf now. My husband. Are you my husband? What are you coming to do in my husband? Are you coming to marry me? It's not Adolf that is coming to marry me.
I should go and bring Adolf for you. If I should bring Adolf for you, what about the Hitler? You should have asked me to go and bring Adolf Hitler for you. Adolf! I should bring Adolf. What about Hitler?
You're talking nonsense.
I'm talking nonsense. Okay, now I should make sense. Look, let me tell you, in my candid advice, my master, Adolf, like you call him, Adolf Hitler, like you call him, has finished his work in Nigeria and he has gone back to Holland. Yes, you're crying, you're even crying. He has gone back to Holland, keeping message for you. He said I should tell you that he wishes that God should give you a very nice man. A man who is going to marry you and take you to America. Meaning what? Look, you guys have ways of fainting, you know. If you think you're fainting, I will not notice you. Let me tell you, if you faint here, if I notice that you faint, come in, Nama. Now what's this? Stand up, oh. I'm telling you. Stand up. What's your problem? Why will you faint? Huh? Bros, please take this in there. Is this how a woman being faints? Check now.
Me, I will check.
What for you? Was your father a Pawan Tapa? Come and check if somebody has fainted. Look, that name is affecting you. They should take you to church and baptize you, change the name for you. Which one is Agu? Agu. If it's me, if you stand up now, don't face. If you come and eat together.
Who is a designer? Can you explain? What is a designer? Want to live so free.
What are you doing? I'm doing outside.
Nothing, Papa.
I'm going inside. Go inside! I said, Babuma! Go inside, go inside. You this girl. Until I deal with you. Go inside!
Designer this, designer that. Designer. Designer up, designer down. Who is the designer? A man wants to work less but earn more and spend less. Makes him so penniless and endlessly worthless.
Mama, welcome.
Where is he, Foma?
Foma went out. Oh.
She went out?
Yes.
Hey, thank God though. Thank God that this useless white man's disappointment did not kill my daughter for me. Hey, thank God.
Thank you.
Where did she go?
Mama, I don't know. Although I asked her, but she refused. So I left her.
Hey, you should have insisted now.
Is she a baby? Hey, Mama, I asked Papa for that money for my accreditation fee. Papa said he does not have money. So I just...
So what? So what? So I should give you money? I don't have money too. I don't have money. You people will not kill me.
Mama, you don't even allow me to land. Eh?
Come back here. Okay? If you don't tell me what to do with that money, I'm going to create short sleeves for you with this machete. I got your lip.
Papa, I don't know what you want me to say. I don't know what you want me to say.
Okay? I did everything. I denied myself comfort to save that money to set you up a business. Look at it now. Just look at it.
But did you hear what you just said? You said you saved the money for me. I'm the same person that took it. I don't know why you're tripping.
Hey! I was even happy that I saved it from Jumbo. You squat squander the money, then you have the gut now to say, hi! Ekene! Tell me what you did with that money.
Oh, Papa, I did not squander any money. I did not squander any money. I gave the money to, what's the name of this traveling agent? One traveling agent to get me an American visa.
American what?
Visa.
Visa? What are you going to do in America? What are you going to do in America?
Papa, I want to go and hustle
when
now.
Your mates are making the money right here. And I can't go to Boda. Get me that money. Let me have it. How will you?
Tell you what, man. Boy, you're catching on fast.
Thank you.
Real fast.
Thank you.
Just day by day, you're getting better. You know what? I'm making plans. I'm setting up performances with other people for you.
Wow, that would be great, Uncle. Let's roll that place together now. We'll storm the stage.
Nah. I told you I'm retired, man. My bones can't carry the stage stuff no more. It is your show, and your show only, man.
Uncle, just that I'm scared. I don't know if I'm ready to hit the stage, to grab the mic.
Can you hear yourself? How could you talk like this? Boy, you're ready. Like Freddy Steady is ready. You've been ready.
Uncle JB!
I'm the nigga with a pedigree. I may be hanging on a 3, waiting on a 2nd degree, but I won't give it to you free, because I'm still the same OG. As you can see, you turn on your TV, you gonna see me. Because I ain't no Mama G or Waga G. I'm the nigga with a pedigree.
Even Terry G.
I got it. I don't die.
Oh boy, see flow. Now, okay, go bring this one down here.
But you know what though? I owe you a lot. Remember when those niggas came? They tried to lock me down because of their levy, whatever?
Yeah.
You told me something. You made me realize that I have to be responsible for everything I'm teaching you. So I'm trying to be responsible for everything I'm telling you now. Alright?
I'm so grateful, Uncle. I'm so grateful. Peace out. Uncle, I beg you, those rhymes, man, you revise it to make
You want to put them down?
Yeah.
What is this now? Eh? Just tell me what happened.
Papa, welcome.
Who died? Papa, nobody died. She has been crying since she came back. I don't know what's wrong.
No. What is wrong? Did anybody beat you?
I have asked her all those questions, Papa. She won't say anything. Eh? I've been here asking her a lot of questions. She won't even talk to me.
I wasn't talking to you. I was asking her. Do you understand me?
What did I do now? What did I do now?
You are an idiot. I have always told you that I'm not man enough. If you were man enough, by now you would have found out who irritated your sister and would have dealt with the person. Even before I come home.
Now, Papa asked her when she was leaving the house. I insisted to follow her when she was going, but she refused. You like it myself.
Papa, can you imagine that when I went for my dance rehearsal, those girls, they were laughing at me.
Laughing at you? Why?
They said my American husband dumped me.
Is that why you're getting irritated? See, the Americans saw all the young ladies around. Nobody talked to them. The American man saw you and picked you. Another American or another Igbo will still come for you and leave them. They are just being jealous. Okay? No.
Come. Get it down again. Inside. You guys need to see the way Ify is humbled. You need to see the way she's moving about now, as if she's afraid of the air that she breathes.
Hey, when she keep whining her waist there. Rosa, come, let me show you the latest. How she used to whine it then. She'll carry you like this. Oh. She go. Oh. Foolish girl, she wanted all of us to bow for her.
You have not told me how you made this thing happen.
Make what's happen?
You and I know that you swore to me
that you do everything possible to make sure that if he does not marry that white man, then he marry.
Don't mind the stupid girl. See, if I wanted that Adolf because she thought she was the only one that has access to him, if I wanted him, do you know what I would have done? I would have given him to you, Rosa. Because you're Yakuna, right?
Ego, where did you hear her call us prostitute? Is it not a good thing if she gives the Oyibo to marriage to either you or me? Is it not a wonderful thing?
Wonderful thing indeed. Yes. And if he's not the right person, where? So, let us just leave Ife's issues. Because, do you know, sometimes I wonder what I'm doing with someone like you. Sometimes I will sit there and think, what am I going to do with a dummy like you?
Come and join me. I cannot say you take everything.
Deborah, why are you bothering yourself?
Just answer my question.
Alright, I will answer your question when you come back. Okay?
Promise.
I promise.
Are you promising me you answer the question when I come back?
I've already said I promise. Yes. Alright. I'll see you when you come back.
I don't want to believe you.
Stop now.
Did you master yourself?
Ha!
I greet you. Deborah, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Morocco. I'll see you later.
It's alright. Take care of yourself. May the Lord be with you.
The choir master.
What is it?
Is she the new one on board?
Joke, why are you talking like that? What's your problem?
My master, I only wanted to know if you are not falling into Deborah's hands. You know I took my threat for you to forget if you are concentrate on the choir.
Chuku, it's high time you left your past life and concentrate on being a good Christian. You do a lot of good.
But I'm no longer a bad man. I only came to collect the new hymn book from you so that I can learn the new songs.
Just look at it. Yes. Look at the way you're acting of hymn book. Anybody that passes around and hear you talking about this hymn book might think he can sing more than the angels of God. In choir practice, if you're singing do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, you'll be singing do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, at the same time. Let me go and get the hymn book. That's exactly what you came here to collect.
Please, go and bring it, please.
I really need this money now, Papa. I need this money.
I don't have money to give you for your, what did you call it?
Accreditation.
I don't have money for it.
Papa, wait now. What are you?
Look, what we have to do now is begin to protect your sister, Ifeoma, so that all your hope will lie on Ifeoma. So make sure nobody makes her angry. Make sure she doesn't even get sick. If not, you'll be in trouble.
But Papa, try and understand. I need this money now. I need this money.
I'm going to tell you what will make you go to school. Protect your sister. The first marriage has failed. She's trying to see if he can catch a new one. And she's a very clever girl. Run around her, protect her, make sure she doesn't get, nothing happens to her. Then, when that time comes, your school fees will come out. That's what I'm telling you. Want to suck my blood? Look at, wear this thing. What your father carries every day. Wear it. What do you think? You think this is Dunlop? Come. Go and take your food bottle.
A station time prevents a father tears. The earlier the better, my brother, check your time. I got your code according to your size. Designer man, everything white and black. Show me your designer. Show me your designer. If I give you my designer, how you could design them? If I give you my designers, how you could design them? Mr. Designer, what is a designer? Don't make mistake, you can call them stacks. A station time prevents a father tears. The earlier the better, my brother, check your time.
Okoro. Hey, if you do know that by day you're looking beautiful every day, honestly speaking, see how beautiful you are.
Okoro, thank you. Let's go inside.
No, inside? No, no, there's no point of going inside. See, with you everywhere is beautiful. As we are here now, it's fine. There's no point of going inside.
Come. Did Adolf send it to me? Ogagi, Oshigoji.
Adogin.
Adolf.
Look, let me tell you, by the sound of that name, you know he's off. You look at his name, Adolf. of off is in his name. That means it doesn't befit. It's me, Okoro, that is invoked. You understand? So I decided to come to you now and deliberate and talk something.
Talk, man,
yes, I should have started saying this thing for a very long time ago. But you know, even hunters, when you, as a hunter, you want to go and hunt in the forest, your aim is antelope, and you get into the forest, you see lion, you know, you reinforce, and then go and reinforce again and come back. So most of us, when we have something in mind to come and tell a baby, like you, so liver drops, and then you need to boost ginger the liver in order to come and, you know, relinquish what you have in your mind. So I just said, let me come and tell you that. Since that day you came to my dad's house to come and give my dad something, you know. So when I liked you, I said, you know, all those small things you used to come and give my dad, you should come and give me small, so that me and you will be, you know. No, if I'm talking to you, your face me now. You are turning your back. It's me that is still talking now.
Can't face it, get face it.
You're facing me now. You know, this thing you did now remind me of that song. You know that song they used to say, face me, I go face you. Do me, I go do you. I'm telling you, just face me now. And see, you know, like I said before, ever since I saw you, my heart has been doing bim, bim, bim. You know, so I now decided that I should come and tell you this thing now as it is with me. Do you understand? You know, in fact, this thing I want to tell you now is from the deepest, innermost pendulum of my heart. Okay, you see what I want to tell you is that, you know, ever since then, in my sleep, in my dream, it is you. Every time I want to sleep, it is you I see in my dream. If we were not doing this one, we were doing the other one. I said, So I said, okay, this morning now, I had to summon courage, you understand, to come to you now and tell you how I feel from the deepest, innermost pendulum of my heart. What a hell. So I now come, in fact, if my heart is well, the deepest part of, in fact, the endless part.
It's okay.
No, wait, the main one is coming here too. You understand? So I now said, let me come and tell you this beautiful thing that you like. So that, you know, you girlfriend me, I'll boyfriend you. So two of us will tango and mango. I'll tell you, okay. There is this important one I want to tell you. I want to tell you that I love you. If this one I'm living is a lie, I'm useless.
Because I will tell you I love you when I get to your
I love you, Dad. I love you.
coming.
Tell me, I love you. Say your own.
I will talk my own when we get to your house.
You talk your own way to my house.
No, I'll follow you now.
In my room.
No.
On my bed.
Hey.
With pillow.
In
fact, this volume 5.
No,
If this is vitamin C, in fact, you give me volume 5. This is volume 5. Thank you, God. Hi. You just give me everything. On top of it, just tango, mango, rango. Everybody will just say, Sha! Tell you. She said she come to my house, come tell me, say, she love me too. Then we went inside room, from inside room, we go for bed, from top bed, we just do, oh, this. Why? Oh.
Why are you laughing? Are you stupid? Get out of this place.
I beg. This is heavenly baptism. Hi. When you get soap.
What do you mean? Get out of this place.
No, as it be, I never bath since morning. So now when we say don't shower me with blessing from above, give me soap, make I take water. Give me sapo put.
Thank God my brother is good.
When I get dog here.
Hey! What's going on here?
It's not this stupid man that said he wants to be my boyfriend.
Oh, bros, welcome. How are you? How is family? How is everybody? I hope everybody is fine. Please, can you borrow me your towel?
My towel?
Yeah, your towel.
You're mad bag. Yeah, get out.
No, I'm not mad.
Yes, let's go.
Not the answer to my
go,
question.
get out.
No, now your towel I say I want. It's alright. You want to go bring the towel? Please make it white. I like white towel.
Yeah, see you should get out.
White towel. You
see?
No, it's alright, my dad. Ah! In-law.
You know what to Abby?
In-law. In-law, brume. Ah! In-law, alamelu. Hey! In-law. In-law.
Come on, get out.
It's me. In-law is me. Bride price will reduce the in-law. Okoro. In-law. In-law. I will remove money from the bride price. Ify, remember me in your paradise. In-law.
Waiting the designer.
You're mad.
Designer up, designer down. Who is the designer? A man wants to work less but earn more and spend less. Makes him so penniless and endlessly worthless. Cause in the heart to farm war, now they work out the wahala. I book it a go.
I want.
I come off a road.
Hello, yeah.
I be you want to follow. Tell make mistake, you go call them style. A station time prevents a father to you.
We are going.
Yes, let me go and rest.
But you have just taken pepper soup and you have rested enough. Must you go home by this time of the day? Yeah?
When I say you say I have started. A man who is doing business comes out today and says business does not favor me. Don't I have a right to go and rest? When business is not good today, I'm probably come tomorrow to do 24 hours.
Mbakwe, accept who you are. Accept who you are and help yourself and help your family.
Who am I?
Stop going about the village telling people that you are a designer.
Don't blame you because Iwiti. What is the meaning of a designer? We don't even know. And you keep here calling me name, insulting me, when you should be giving me all the support. Telling the people that your husband is bigger than a tailor. You cannot do it. I want to pay your bride price. If I had paid your bride price, you can't have it. Probably people would have said, she knows that this woman has a kink first before going to pay. But I paid the bride price of somebody I thought is very sane. Where is this madness coming from?
You mend clothes. Your job is to mend clothes. Why don't you accept it? Tell Obioma, accept the truth.
Stop now before I get angry with you.
Get angry with me if you like. Get angry with me. Get angry with me. Stop boasting. Stop telling people that you are a designer. There you are.
I'll beat you. I'll beat you. I'll beat you. Don't stop calling me names.
That is
what is going on. Mbakwe, come on. Tell me what is going on. This is your wife now.
Imagine. Look at this woman calling me names. This is what she's calling a designer like me.
Who you are. Mbakwe, you should be grateful to your wife for telling you the truth of who you are. Every time be jumping up and down, you want to kill her?
Philip, who asked you to talk? This is a quarrel between husband and wife. Did I invite you? No. I did not call you. I did not wire you. I did not buy you as my lawyer. This is not your business at all. It's the business of me and my wife. What's your own?
Mbakwe, I know it is not my business. You did not invite, but don't forget that in my capacity as the chief security officer of this community, I can get you arrested if you try to lay your hands on her. Yes.
Which commissioner of police ordained you?
Me?
Huh? Which police inspector general ordained? Look at you. Get try to police. Look at you. This is strictly business of me and my wife. Look, tell him.
Mbakwe, it is my business, and it's his business too. Again, Zimbabwe, we are security officers here. It's my business, and it's his business.
Yes.
No, listen. I am looking at you with binocular eyes. Because now I begin to wonder why you people should leave your community.
Huh?
You come here to drink my wife's family.
Mbakwe.
Is my wife the best permit seller? Don't you have permit seller?
Mbakwe, stop it. Don't go there. Watch your mouth before this your mouth put you into trouble. Watch your mouth, Mbakwe. If you don't take care.
My mouth.
Watch your mouth.
This is my mouth. You're hearing one mouth. I will go and use it to announce it to the whole village. Then you have as many mouths as possible talking about this suspicion.
Philip,
I'm watching you people.
No, we are watching you, Mbakwe.
You see now? You see what we have caused? Look, go and call your people. Call your people. So that they...
I don't know what you're talking. And I don't know where your mind is going. Okay. Look at me. I can't marry Pocha. I can't marry Pocha.
I can't marry. So what? I can't marry Pocha, but who come to that? You can do this thing. Then I can't give her daughter. You want to be clean, you clean all around. Go and call your people, tell them.
Don't worry. If you
are going to explain what these two people are to you. If you don't tell your people, I will tell your people myself. Go and tell your people. Summon them. Advise them first, because if they come here, I will open mouth and I will say everything.
Lazy man, go and sleep. Go and sleep. Okay. Go and sleep.
Ify, you know you have always been part of us right from the day we started learning and dancing. You shouldn't stop coming just because some of us laughed at you. You cannot worry.
I will come.
Are you sure?
I will think about it.
Okay, no problem. That white man, has he called you since he left?
How is that your business?
I'm sure Basa Homo is none of my business, but I keep wondering what Deborah told that white man that made him to abandon you.
Ishinini, what did you say? I go with the kafu that ha choleka. Kafu ayu black ubu. Deborah, Deborah, where is Deborah?
Oh no, she traveled.
Where did she travel to?
Okigwe. Ojemana Okigwe. Hey. One is so biojo. She's very wicked. So she later traveled to Okigwe.
Ego Wule. So you know that Deborah traveled and you allow me to come to Deborah's house and be shouting like a dog?
But you didn't want to listen. You were in a hurry to see her.
Onye apare ihe afọ ma bịa no nga na efu ulo onwe m na esusari abamba onye apare Chineke kpọkwa gị ọkụ nga ahụ iwe lock ta singa fo ni iberibe ukpore
ahi ikukwa no wone ni acho na megwa gị na were kwa nnu ya nwayo.
What designer is responsible for my son's bad behavior? Is it not possible that Mbakwe has a hand in it? Yes, I would definitely find out how much hand Mbakwe has in it. I cannot. Sir, come here. Did I not call you Ekene? Ekene, what exactly is your problem?
Well, I don't have any problem. I'm okay.
You don't have a problem? Okay, I have a problem. And my problem is that I'm looking for an apprentice.
Yes. But there are boys everywhere now. They would love to help you.
Ekene, you're going to be my apprentice from henceforth. We have the advantage of a meeting with many customers in this village and beyond. But first of all, you are going to learn how to sew clothes. So right now, go in there, bring machine. Let me teach you how to sew clothes. Go. I'm sure.
Don't make me stay. You can call them style. A station trying to prevent a fall of tears. A little better, my brother, shake your ties.
What are you doing?
According to your side.
Huh?
Papa, can you believe that? It was that stupid Deborah that went to tell the Oyibo man not to marry me. She went to tell that white man that he should leave me. She told him plenty lies.
The Deborah that I know? No wonder. Because I was wondering why that young man, seeing a beautiful girl like you, all of a sudden, he did a U-turn. Something must be there. Ah, how did you find out?
It was a friend that told me.
So where is that Deborah now?
Just coming from my house, they said she went to Okigwe.
Okigwe? So all these are the enemy, the plans they have against me. Listen, this fight, I'm going to take it upon myself. I am going to fight this fight to the last drop of my blood.
Papa,
why would... No. Don't even try it. What of Kwebelam? I asked that boy to take care of, in fact, to bodyguard you. And you say, when I begin to quarrel, all of you will come to his side. All right, come, let's go. It is my work.
Don't worry.
Onye mmanya. Okay, mama. Onye nku. What you carry you come this area?
Is there anywhere out of bound for Mwabo? Awishi. Mbani. Aha! This man.
How do you know him?
This man. Agu knows whosoever he wants to know. Talk to whosoever he wants to talk to. This man here is Okorocha's brother. Okorocha onye dua. Yeah, one year working. But ever since he came back from overseas, he has not blessed Moawagu with some.
Rocky, what the hell is this nigga talking about?
This nigga here is saying, as a nigga that you are, you suppose give me small note for my personal expenditures now.
Okay. Yeah. Take this for your personal expenditure, nigga.
That's what I'm talking about. See, you see why it will be well with you. I know your brother very well. He's a very nice man. But the only problem he has is confusion.
Exactly.
Your brother Okorocha is a confused man. Just like you.
What did you just say, nigga?
If you're not confused, you would have come back from Obodo Ibo with Ntuntu Ego. You have been confused all your life.
Are you crazy?
I still haven't found out why.
I just saw her and she was ranting. I thought she was going to slap me.
Oh, you deserve a slap. More than a slap, Seth.
Why now?
I really don't think you know what you have done.
What have I done wrong?
Okay. Is Deborah really your friend?
Yeah, she's my friend even till tomorrow.
Okay. Now I know why Deborah calls you a moron. How can you stab your own friend in the back? Ego! Ha! You are a green snake under green grass.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah, get out!
Rosa?
I said get out of my house! Rosa, get out, get out! You want me to push you? Get out!
Hey.
Rosa!
How you go designer? I give you my designers. How you go designer? Mr. Designer. What is a designer?
Uncle, I don't think you should do this, so. I mean it, I don't think you should do it.
Rocky, can you imagine the emotional and the physical trauma that I go through every day of my life putting up with this man called my brother? I need to address that issue now. If I don't, then I'm going to call myself a chump.
Uncle, he's still your only brother.
And so?
Uncle, I think what your brother really needs now is love and direction. Not to just lock him up in the police cell. It's not good now.
What the hell are you talking about?
Uncle, I'm trying to tell you that your brother is just confused. Like Agu Eli said.
Wouldn't that have made me confused too?
Uncle, yeah, maybe before, but now, Uncle, I'm not looking at a confused man. I'm looking at a man who has given me everything. I mean everything to live for. Uncle, please, you can still do this for your brother. I'm begging you.
I'm sitting here and I'm looking at you. I'm listening to all the rubbish coming out of your mouth. And I'm wondering what gave you the impetus to talk like this to me.
Uncle, I'm sorry.
Do you know who I am? Can you ever start to imagine what I've been through in my life? For you to come here trying to, pacify me because of my brother.
Uncle, I'm sorry. It's just that I'm...
Shut the fuck up. Like I told you earlier, man. I'm warning you for the last time. Don't you ever try to tell me how to live my life. Or I'm going to cut you with a knife. Oh, man.
How you want to this now? How you want to this? To say I no come outside now, see you the pass. I don't even know say you don't come this area. Why you dey do like that? Okay. Come on to say, guy, how far, how you dey? No be big deal now. Man.
You know, sir, I forget say my papa sent me message. Where I did enjoy with one of my guys who come back from America.
America? See your life. So you even get friend wey come from America and you know if you control me, I can follow na flex. Why you dey do like this?
Wait, my mind no go that side. My mind, I no reason am. I didn't think of it at all. Wow. Because the inflection was too much. See, that guy still did this town. As a matter of fact, he has come to look for a wife to get married to. So he's still very much around. There's still more money in his pocket. You don't understand. Relax. You know, my guy, I don't forget you like that.
Well, that's not my problem. My own problem is say anytime when I hang out, you know, try control me, I come follow now. You know, give me call.
Don't worry. You received blessing today.
Yo, Rocky! Where you at, boy? Shit, man, I got good news for you. Come on over, man. I'm over here by my crib. Yeah. Yo, man, we gonna prove them wrong, brother. I'm telling you, man. I got the best news you ever heard, man. Come on. Come on with it, boy. There you go. Man, what you looking at me like I'm some kind of fool? I'm still the same OG. You said I ain't no good, but I went back to school, and I did pretty good. And I'm back to the hood. But check this out. I'm done with Nollywood. That's the way it goes, brother. Peace. Don't hit on their brother, man. I ain't got no wife. I don't need fight for life for me to stay alive. Later.
Hey! Ekwensu agbalụman you defense. Ekwensu agbalụman you defense. How can I have the most useless man on earth as my brother? Eh? Why should a man get out of his house early in the morning to begin to do, hey nigga, I got you, Why? Why?
It's on your face is like this. I hope you did not fight anybody.
It's none of your business. The one that concerns you is me getting out from this house early in the morning to go and meet Nwakoba's son to take you to the city. Once he realized that you were the young man who chased his wife, he bluntly refused. He refused! Look at you. Look at you.
Well, Papa, one is that I did not know she was married. And then two, I only chased her once.
May thunder fire at your mouth. Look at you. Admiring somebody's wife. Your mates are married. All your mates are married. Why are you not married? Why?
Well, Papa, if he has refused to take me to the city, that's not a problem now. We can always work something out.
You work other what? So I have all the time to work other things for you. You're an idiot. The way you're going, you may end up like this man here. This useless man here. Who came all the way from America empty-handed. Empty-handed. I'll do everything to stop you following his ways. Go in there now. Go and bring my machine. Let's go sewing. Go there.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you, Papa. I can't join you in this opium business. I mean, it's too...
You must go and get it. Get my machine. Okay? I'm not going. Oh, to show me that you are acrobatic. Let's acrobat now. Let us acrobat. Let us acrobat.
Iko, do you realize that apart from Papa, you are the only man we have in this house?
Why are you just realizing that now? Eh? Abi, you see me for a dream?
Of course I did. But not in my dreams. Not when I was sleeping. Yesterday, Papa and Mama were having issues. I expected you to say something, Ekwen.
Hey, just hold it down there. Listen, anything that has to do with Papa and Mama, just forget about them. You think all those people, the problem they are facing, you think it's normal problem? They are going through strong poverty issues.
How do you mean?
Fine, I will explain.
You've been in this house, I've been asking for small money to solve my school issue. 5,000 naira, nobody will give it to me. Papa say, I don't have. Mama say, I don't have. How will I get it? Just let them solve their poverty issue. Let them solve it by themselves and count me out.
What do you need 5,000 naira for?
Why do you want to know, Ezinne? Why do you want to know? Is it your business? Okay, so you want to buy Ekwem the way you buy Mama. You tried to buy Papa Bob, it did not work for you. You cannot buy Ekwem because Ekwem is my partner. You know that?
Wait. Did I just hear you say buy, sell? Who are you buying and who are you selling?
You understand?
Ife, let me ask you. What is your problem? What is eating you up? Talk to me, I want to understand. What is it?
Ezinne, the problem and the thing eating me up is because you are making it look as if you are the first person that want to marry. Are you the first person?
Is that your problem, Ife? Is that...
Ezinne, let me tell you. Before you started planning about that your Nigerian man that is staying outside, I have planned to marry Onyibo. Onyesho obodo Oyibo. I have planned it.
Oyibo man. Onyocha. White man. Where is he? Where is your white man?
Where my white man is, it no concern you. At all, it no concern you.
If you let me ask you something. You never hear say, I get am before no be property. My dear? Wake up from your slumber. Face reality, my sister. Your white man is gone and he's gone for
okay, make it from now.
It's okay. When I was sitting down here listening, I was actually thinking that our problem in this house was poverty. But right now, I just realized now that we have more problems. Right now, the major problem is who will get married first. So, as the...
Ekwem, I want to talk to you.
You are even the worst out of everybody.
No, let me...
Hold on, John.
Useless boy.
This talk is none of your business. It's not part of you.
Are you sure you don't want me to go so that you can sort this thing out?
Ekwem, do. Ekwem, you know you are my elder brother and you senior me direct.
I don't understand. Why are you reminding me the things that I know?
Ekwem,
what's your
you also know that Papa knows something more than you. Ekwem. You also know that Papa wants anything I want for you to do it because he wants you to answer me and listen to me. You know that one.
Alright.
Okay, why are you saying alright?
Because that is all you have to say. I don't even know that me sitting down here, you are reminding me you are true blood. Any other thing?
Ekwem, you don't understand. That is why you're talking like this.
Then what is it now?
Cheleno, let me save his neighbor. See, I want to first Ezinne to marry. And I want to make you help me. Help me to marry first.
If that's the problem, then we have solved it. Because that is no problem. We have lots of guys in this town. We have the choir master. We have that farmer very close to
Ekwem, who told you I want to marry somebody from this village? I cannot even marry anybody from Nigeria, and you're talking. Yes.
So where you want to marry from?
I want to marry somebody from Britain, somebody from Canada. Malay Ndahunjego, somebody from Cotonou, Ghana. Hanine, so long, I cross to Nigeria. Jema, Maplane.
It's okay.
You must look for that person from you.
You go check the map. So you just measure time for me.
Deborah, you want to go and tell Ife that I, Deborah, I am the one that spot her marriage with that Oyibo called Adolf? Yes, I told her. Because I was wondering you said so. Is that why you slapped me? Hey! I'm still talking about this. You still slapped me again. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Are you a mugu? So you made me abandon what I was doing in Okigwe? When was that called me? To tell me what you can tell a thing like that? Is that why you're hitting me? Yes. The bar is damaged. You're doing this. Is that... Go. Taja, go. Taja. Ego. Taja. Unyara. Taja. Open your mouth with peace. Peace.
Hey, Uncle JB.
I can't believe this. You don't bust my head. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. So I swear to God, you are too much.
You better believe it, boy.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
You ain't saying nothing yet.
Hey! Uncle JB, who I be? Me, Rocky. Me, small Rocky like me. Want to collabo with Philo Fine, no?
That's so nice.
Hey, God, my head don't bust. My head don't bust.
Yo, check this out. I was up in the studio today. That nigga heard your song and started tripping. And he was like, who's this? I said, that's my boy, man. And he was telling everybody in the studio that you are talented, that he gonna do something with you.
Hey, Jesus.
So, boy, it's your lucky day, man. I'm telling you, it's your lucky day. Boy, it's your lucky day, man. It's your lucky day.
Hey, Uncle JB. DJB. DJB. Collaboration with Philo Fine, no?
That's what it is.
Urudia. Urudia!
Someone used to tell me a long time ago that everybody can never be a star. But a star can come from somewhere by the grace of God and dint of hard work. You could be that star from this part of the world. Think about it, man. Are you ready, boy? Are you ready for big time? Do you know who the fuck is Fino? That nigga's international, man.
I'm ready, just that, Uncle JB, what if things didn't turn out the way we are anticipating?
Why you being negative, man? Look at you feeling melancholy already. You got to be positive, man. Just believe that it's going to happen, that you're going to make it. That's the only way you can think, man. Stop being negative, I'm telling you, man. You can't find out if you don't try. That's the word, man. Give it your best shot, man. It's your best opportunity. Man.
Uncle JB! If you don't speak this, grab away they speak, man. Yo, man. Shit, man. Bullshit, man. Fuck, man. Jesus, man. Why you want...
No, sir. There's nothing I can do about it today. Today is Saturday. Yes, sir. No, trust me, I'll personally take care of it. But you must be on Monday. Okay, sir, no problem. I will do exactly as you say. All right. Thank you, sir. Deborah, what is it? What happened to you?
It's Egowure. She ganged up with some girls and they ambushed me.
Why? Why would she do that to a fellow chorister?
She said that I am the one that knows that she's interested in you, but I snatched you away from her.
No. Egowure has never been interested in me.
He's one of the girls there. She said that, in short, I think they used Egowure to get to me.
But you just told me it was an ambush.
It's the same girl. It's the same one of the girls there. In short, that said that I am the one that told Ify. No, that I am the one that made the man that wanted to marry Ify to cancel the planned marriage that he has with Ify, and that made him to run away from the country because he said that I said some terrible things about the man and the marriage.
I don't even know what to believe again. You just said this one and now you're saying another one. This is getting serious. Please, I'm so sorry. Jesus Christ.
She broke this and this and this and...
Sorry. How do I... Okay, come inside, please. Just take it easy, okay? Sorry. Can you imagine? Jesus. Joku. I can't deny the fact that I said something about her. But because she... Joku. Do I need to tell you that I had almost succeeded in deleting her from my memory? Just because of what Deborah said about her. I don't know what... I'm getting confused.
What is actually going on between you and Deborah? What's going on?
My brother, nothing, no. Nothing.
Nothing.
Did she say anything?
And she's busy telling everyone in the village that you are her fiancé.
Hey! Jesus.
Oh, you go ahead.
God, what is the meaning of all this? What have I done wrong? When did that one start now?
My dear, I wouldn't know the answer to that question. But the only thing I suggest you do, delete Ify from your memory. Please. That girl is a battle to your system. Oh.
Jeku, you're my friend. See, I can't deny the fact that I like Deborah. But I don't know why my spirit can't just accept her. Yes, I like her as a brother. At least she's a chorister in the choir. I am the choir master.
You are confused.
I am not.
You are really confused.
See, I think the best thing for me to do is just to leave this town. Leave this town and travel far away where nobody will see me. I think let me leave this community and concentrate for once. What's the meaning of all this now? Why would they be saying what I didn't say?
You are traveling. Who are you leaving your job as a choir master for?
I still can't understand what this competition is all about. What is happening?
Isn't it my daughter? Your father, Mbakwe, spoiled Ifeoma. Yes. Your father, Mbakwe, is the person that made Ifeoma to be #1 in everything that is happening in this family. Yes.
Oh, Mama, it is not fair. Why is he doing that to me? Am I not his daughter?
Who said so? Are you not the person helping me out here? Do you know that Ifeoma will only come here when she knows that she needs something from me and maybe Mbakwe is not around to give her the money?
But Mama, you shouldn't have allowed Papa to...
Don't even go there, you know your father. You know he's the stubborn type. He will not listen to me. I tried all my possible best to make him know that Ifeoma is the younger one and you are the elder sister. But you know your father.
Mama, I will stand Papa's attitude. But Ifeoma's antagonism is something I cannot take. I cannot take it. She is my younger sister. I don't even have the patience to enjoy it. Mama, I don't.
Stop it. Ifeoma is your younger sister.
And so?
So please, I don't want you to feel bad. I know that one day, Ifeoma will realize that this is Father Mbakwe is not doing him good. One fateful day, she will realize it.
Are you serious?
As I'm talking to you now in this village, all the girls are singing your name as a song. Shaggy this, Shaggy that, Shaggy this, Shaggy that.
Well, brother, you know what? It's not my fault, just my effort, you know? I stay on point, that's what it is. Yeah. But so tell me, my nigga, where them boys, yeah? Where the guys? Where they at?
Okay, Ikwe will soon be here.
Are you sure?
Ikwe will soon be here. As a matter of fact, I saw him before I came to this place.
Because, nigga, I have a whole lot to spend, man. I came back with a whole lot of dollars. Well, let me spend money for you all, man. Nigga, chop my money, man.
Dollars. Don't worry, he'll soon be here.
You broke asses. I don't know how you guys became my friends.
Yes. Okay, I told you, he's already here. Ikwe. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
I greet you.
I'm fine. Shaggy, this is my friend.
Oh,
this is Shaggy. Is my
yeah.
Friend. And this is sister. Ify.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Man, nigga, your sister is beautiful.
Yeah, she's beautiful. She's beautiful.
If you talk, she's the guy from America.
Wait, let me ask you a question. All this, are they all yours or you borrowed some? Is this ass real?
No, Hanya, she know where I am. Show him now.
Like it's real. Turn around.
Are you serious? Damn. Rinya, she know where I am.
But you know what? Let me start from this, baby. Bring that ass here. Let Shaggy do some justice. Wow. Yeah. So let me see what you got in front, man. Oh, Shaggy's got a whole lot to spend.
Shave the front.
Yeah, don't worry. Hey. My nigga, don't rush that money. There's a whole lot where that came from. Yeah, so just be normal, alright?
So just tell me any part of your choice. Let me go spoil your village. Something. Like, let me go Mama Ebuka. Mama Ebuka is okay. Mama Ebuka is on point. My nigga, let me do you a favor, huh? I want you to take this so that you can stop touching your sister. Step aside. Let me roll with her. Yeah. So clear the road. We're right behind you.
No, we're not doing it.
Look our back. Yeah. Boo boo.
Shaggy, my man.
Let me see you go. And don't roll like a village nigga. Roll with an American nigga. Roll. Let me see. Ify. Bounce. If you see my hand. Bounce.
Shaggy.
I'm on point. It's Shaggy.
My man.
Roll behind me. If you shake this. Roll behind me.
Shaggy!
If Shaggy eventually marries your sister, you owe me big time.
No. You trust me now.
No be you know me matter. No be you know me run dey talk, you know me. This one now, you know what? Immediately Shaggy saw your sister, he fell in love. Hey! And that makes it, if Shaggy marries your sister, she's in money, yo. You don't know, my guy. And as she did money, you too, you're in money.
It's money. Thank you very much. But guy, that one even interests me. I don't remember the last time when I taste pepper soup like that. You need to see those fish. That guy, they declare. Oh, guy, God don't do it for me.
My guy. I know. He also gave you some choncho. You don't understand. To fill your pocket. Oh boy.
But I hope so your mind will be there. Because I see when they give it to you.
My guy, no go there. You go please share. I get share for that.
Wait. You mean it was never a gang up?
Gang up? How can I gang up against her? It was just the two of us fighting, and God knows I fought her in self-defense.
But did you tell Ife that the brother was responsible for what the white man did to her?
Yes, I did.
Oh, come on. Ego, that was so unfair of you. Ego, that was so unfair of you to tell lies against her.
Why would you say that? Kwaya master, you think I'm lying? See, let me tell you. Deborah said she will do whatever it takes to make sure that Ife does not marry that white man.
Really? She said all that?
And the one that even got me upset, the one she said that she would take either I or Rosa to the white man to get married to. And I was very upset because I asked her if she was calling us cheap prostitutes.
Jesus. So she knew the white man and had dealings with him.
Let me tell you something. Deborah told me that she controls the white man. Machi.
I'm confused. I don't even know what to believe in. What's the meaning of all of this? What is happening in this
Hey! I'm happy, Koika.
Oh God! Shaggy, boy.
People you could hear.
Imanashi, you won't give me much.
People you could hear, man.
Lie down straight. Where is your wallet? Bring out the wallet. Where is your wallet? Fast. Bring out that wallet.
Maybe take some dollars and give it to Mama, eh?
Keep quiet.